students, today we are going to continue our chapter 1 of computers, that is evolution of computer. In previous classes we have studied about the history of computers and how computers have evolved over a period of time. And we also learned about 5 early computing devices. So do you remember the name of early computing devices? Okay, the first one is abacus, the second one is Napier bones, then we studied about Mark I computing device, then Pascaline, after that we have done UNIVAC. So we have studied about 5 early computing devices. So today we are going to do next 3 computing devices. So let's get started. Today we are going to study Hollerith desk. You can see the picture here of Hollerith desk. It consisted of a card reader which sends the holes in the cards, a gear driven mechanism which could count, and a large wall of dial indicators to display the results of the count. So it consisted of a card reader. So this machine or instrument has a card reader in it at this place. Okay, what is a card reader? A card reader is an instrument used to read punched cards. Punched cards are cards which have holes. So this card reader can sense these holes at a particular place in it, or punched cards have holes at a particular or special places. Okay, so according to the information stored in it. So this consists of a card reader which can read or derive the information by reading the cards. Okay, so it also it is a gear driven mechanism. Okay, so it is a electromechanical device, and in this you can see a wall. Okay, dial indicators, a large wall of dial indicators. So it is talking about this wall of dial indicator. What does this show? This display the result of the count. Whatever the result or the information the card reader derived from the punched cards or cards, it will show the result at this place. Okay, Hollerith desk. Hollerith desk के बाद हम अब बात करेंगे tabulating machines की. So after Hollerith desk I am directly coming to tabulating machine, because both these are same thing. We are talking about same instrument. Okay, so Hollerith desk is a tabulating machine. So in this book it is given separately, but Hollerith desk is a tabulating machine. That's why I came to the topic tabulating machine. So let me read it first for you. Hermann Hollerith, a German-American mathematician, invented the tabulating machine in 1890. This was an electrical device which could read data, process them, and then give accurate results. This product became so popular that Hollerith started a company which later became IBM. So tabulating machine, it is who invented this machine? Hermann Hollerith. Hermann Hollerith, he was a German-American mathematician. Okay, so Hermann Hollerith invented this tabulating machine. This is the picture of tabulating machine. When did he invent it? In 1890s. Okay, so this is an electrical device, electromechanical electrical device. So what it will do? It can also read the data. First it will read the data with whatever entered in it through the card reader. Okay, whenever we insert a punched card in this card reader, it will read the data. First it will read the data. Data means information. Okay, that means it will read a punched card. In Hollerith desk I have told you that it consists of a punched card because both the machines are same. We are talking about the same instrument. So it has a punched, it has a card reader, so it will read the data, then it will process them, and finally it will give accurate result. Accurate result means correct result, 100% correct result. Okay, so this product become very popular. At that time this product become very popular that the scientist who invented this had to start a company, and which later on become IBM. Okay, so हम अभी बात कर रहे हैं टैबुलेटिंग मशीन की. जो हमने अभी पीछे हॉलब्रिथ डेस्क पढ़ा था वो एक टैबुलेटिंग मशीन ही है, और ये दोनों पिक्चर सेम ही मशीन की है, बस वो ब्लैक एंड वाइट में, कलर्ड में है. ओके, तो दोनों एक ही मशीन के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, बट बुक में ये अलग अलग दे रखा है. तो इसको हम डिस्कवर किया था हरमन हॉलब्रिथ ने, जो कि एक जर्मन अमेरिकन मैथमेटिशियन थे. कब किया था? 1890s में किया था. ये क्या करता है? ये जो है एक इलेक्ट्रोमैकेनिकल डिवाइस है. ये करता क्या है? ये जो है डेटा को पहले रीड करेगा. रीड का क्यों करेगा? क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक कार्ड रीडर है, तो कार्ड रीडर रीड करेगा डेटा को. डेटा का मतलब जो भी आप पंच्ड कार्ड से इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहे हो उसको रीड कर सकता है ये मशीन, और फिर उसको प्रोसेस करेगा, और उसके बाद प्रोसेस का मतलब देखेगा भाई इससे क्या बन रहा है, और उसके बाद उसका रिज़ल्ट बताएगा. ठीक है, तो ये प्रोडक्ट अपने टाइम में जो है बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर हो गया था. इतना पॉपुलर हो गया था कि लेटर ऑन हॉलब्रिथ को जो है, जो साइंटिस्ट है, उनको अपनी खुद की एक कंपनी स्टार्ट करनी पड़ी थी, जो बाद में जाके IBM बन गई. ठीक है, बुक में नहीं है बट फिर भी मैं बता देती हूँ कि जो ये टैबुलेटिंग मशीन है ये वाली, इसका सबसे पहले यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में जो है जनगणना को काउंट करने के लिए हुआ था. और जनगणना का मतलब सेंसेक्स, जिसमें हम लोगों की एज, जेंडर और लोकेशन ये सब कैलकुलेट करते हैं. तो इस मशीन का हेल्प वहाँ पे सबसे पहले हुआ था, और इस मशीन की हेल्प से बहुत ही जल्दी काम हो गया था. ओके, तो दिस इज़ टैबुलेटिंग मशीन. So next come Leibniz calculator. You can see the picture of Leibniz calculator here. It is also one of the early computing devices. So in this machine is sometimes called the stepped raccooner. The Leibniz calculator was also a calculating machine, but much superior to that of Pascaline. It could do more than just add and subtract. So this is Leibniz calculator. Sometimes it is also called stepped raccooner. Okay, that means it is a second name of this calculator. So this instrument is called Leibniz calculator as well as stepped raccooner. Okay, so this calculator, Leibniz calculator, what it can do? It can do addition. It is a calculating machine. Calculation, that means it can do calculations like addition, subtraction, etc. But it is superior to the Pascaline. That means it is superior. Superior means it is better than Pascaline. Why? Because Pascaline can do only addition and subtraction, but it can do more than addition and subtraction. It can perform other calculations also, like what? That we will study now. Okay, Leibniz calculator could also multiply, divide and find square root of numbers. It too was mechanical and worked by hand. A crank was added to speed up the work of this calculator. It was used by mathematicians and bookkeepers. Okay, so I have told you that this was superior to Pascaline. Why? Because Pascaline can only do addition and subtraction, but this Leibniz calculator can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and it can also find square roots. Okay, square root is also a mathematical operation. Okay, so it is a mechanical and it worked by hand, so you can operate this machine by your hands. Okay, and a crank was added in this so that you can speed up the calculation. So a crank is given so that you can speed up the calculation. It is a mechanical machine, so you can work it on it by your hands. And it was used by mathematicians. Okay, the mathematicians and bookkeepers. Bookkeepers are those who keep and who are accountants, clerk, etc. They are bookkeepers. Okay, so this Leibniz calculator is generally used by them. So I will show you what is a crank. Here crank is written. So a crank is, in this picture you can see there is a handle. So it is given here. So it is a crank and it is used to speed up the calculation. Okay, so today we have studied about Hollerith desk, then tabulating machine, after that Leibniz calculator. So I have written a few words which will be helpful for you while reading the chapter. Okay, so first is let's check this out. So first comes card reader. What is a card reader? An electrical device that reads and transfers data from various portable memory storage devices is a card reader. So here you can see it is a card reader. What is a card reader? Card reader is a device that can read and transfer data from various portable memory storage devices. Like punched card is a memory storage device. Portable means that you can carry it from one place to another. So this card reader can read the information that is in a particular card. Okay, what is the meaning of superior? Better than something else. Which is better than something else? जो कि दूसरे से जो है बेहतर हो. जैसे पैस्कलिन से ज़्यादा अच्छा लेबनीज कैलकुलेटर था, क्योंकि वो एडिशन और सब्सट्रैक्शन के अलावा भी बहुत कुछ कर सकता था. बुक कीपर, अ पर्सन हुज जॉब इज़ टू कीप एन एक्यूरेट रिकॉर्ड ऑफ अकाउंट्स ऑफ बिजनेस. यानी कि जो भी बिजनेस है उसका एक्यूरेट रिकॉर्ड रखना अकाउंट्स का, यानी कि पैसों का लेन देन का हिसाब किताब रखना का जिसका काम होता है, जॉब होती है, उसको बुक कीपर कहते हैं. तो लेबनीज कैलकुलेटर को बुक कीपर्स भी रखते थे. ठीक है. सो दीज आर फ्यू वर्ड्स and which will be helpful to you while reading the chapter. And what you have to do, you have to read this up to these three: Hollerith desk, Leibniz calculator and tabulating machine that we have completed today. You have to read this at least 2 times, because if you read things, then it will your reading skills will get improved, and you will come to know whatever I have told you or taught you today, and it become very much clear to you. Okay, you get clarification if you read it twice. And for your reference, I have given these words, so you can also refer to these words while reading the chapter. Okay, so I hope today's lecture you understood today's lecture, and thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.